Asante sana Your Excellency. Ningependa kupatia mwalimu mkuu nafasi ya kukaribisha rasmi.
Thank you, Your Excellency. The Autism Unit has students and some interest. This one school in Nasa. All the guys are school. Nana's come from Sunita.
Thank you so much for your comment. In brief, Kisii Primary Autism Unit was founded in the year 2005 with only 5 learners living with autism and 1 teacher. Later on, the enrollment increased. We now have 6 teachers teaching the learners with autism. However, we have other learners living with other disabilities. The enrollment, as the head teacher said, is 39. We have 15 living with autism. 11 have multiple disabilities. We have those with cerebral palsy. And there is one with albinism. All these learners come to school every day. So we have school-based learners, and 11 are home-based. The home-based learners are there because they come from vulnerable families. They are not able to and so they get very little services from the teacher just because of being at home. So their only safe space is school. So if we could have means of ferrying them to and from school, this could be a very safe space for them. Because at home there's a lot of insecurity. We have also been reported some of the challenges at home, like children being defied when the parents have left them, going to maybe look for food for them. So these are our learners. I want to thank you so much for the learning and teaching materials that you have. The flip chart there, we enable them do some drawing, some painting for purposes of creativity. We also have Manila pencils for purposes of drawing. We also have the paint for painting purposes. Thank you so much for remembering our grandchildren with the sanitary pad. This will help them, instead of them being at home during those periods, they'll be coming to school comfortably. We have learners here who use diapers. Thank you so much because that will help them. I cannot forget the disabilities. As you can see, the learners living with cerebral palsy, their movement is difficult. So this will help them in mobility. It will also help them for therapy purposes. For real, I cannot forget to thank you because of the food stuff. Indeed, Mom, you were here less than a month ago. You had a program. We did have food for our learners. May God bless you most abundantly. Because this food will help them, give them energy, will sustain them. And my prayer is that after this, Mom, we still expect you to be our mother and provide food. Lastly, but not least, I want to request you through your initiative, and it has been our plan, that we get even a bus or a van to ferry these learners to and from school, to give the parents an opportunity to work on other activities for nation building. Thank you so much, and may God bless you most abundantly.
These are the teachers and the learners can sit in number.
Habari ya watoto wetu. Mko wazima? Unaendelea vizuri? Umepata gari? Hebu nionyeshe kuendesha gari. Very good. Na wewe? Umejua kuendesha?
Kwa roki kwanza.
Mbele kidogo.
Endesha gari mbele. Right, Felix, right.
Yeah, very good. I'm very excited to see you. Nafurahi sana kuwaona. Naitwa
Charlton.
God bless you.
Say amen.
John Otieno. And my dear here, unataka nimsalimie hata huyo. A generous person. Your friend. Na wewe. Unaitwa nani? Lavin. Great. God bless you.
And this is our state president. Down here at Autism.
How are you? God bless you. Friends? Wewe unaitwa jina yako?
Machuka.
Very good. Sasa uko mzima? Mungu akubariki sana. God bless you. God bless you. Bless you, Rebecca. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, my dear.
This one has a serious